Family offices are increasingly looking to invest in infrastructure, and if you're a high net worth retiree, you may be wondering why. Well, the answer is simple. Infrastructure is becoming an essential part of wealth diversification. It offers stability, long-term growth, and protection against the market volatility that has been shaking up traditional investments. In this video, we'll dive into why family offices are making this shift, how it affects you, and why you might want to consider it for your portfolio as well. But before we get into that, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend clicking the first link in the description below. Thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to safeguard their assets. It's a smart, proven strategy for retirees looking to secure their savings, especially with the current economic uncertainty. Don't miss out on this valuable free guide. It could make a huge difference in your financial future. Now let's talk about why family offices are turning towards infrastructure investments. First, let's consider the stability it offers. Unlike more volatile markets, infrastructure investments, like toll roads, bridges, and energy facilities, tend to provide consistent cash flow. These assets are typically tied to long-term contracts, meaning predictable revenue streams even during economic downturns. This predictability is exactly what makes infrastructure so attractive to family offices and high net worth individuals like you. What's more, infrastructure investments are tied to physical assets. This adds an element of security that more abstract investments, such as tech stocks or other speculative ventures, just can't provide. For a retiree looking to secure wealth, infrastructure offers a great way to balance risk while ensuring steady growth over time. But how does this compare to something like a gold IRA, which you might be considering for wealth protection? Well, gold IRAs provide that same level of security, but in a different way. They're a hedge against inflation and market instability, and they offer diversification away from stocks, bonds, and other financial assets. So, if you're worried about the volatility of the stock market or currency devaluation, a gold IRA could provide a much-needed cushion. In addition, the demand for infrastructure has been rising in both the private and public sectors. Governments around the world, including the US, are investing heavily in infrastructure as part of their economic recovery plans. This creates a unique opportunity for family offices to get in early and capture long-term gains. The return on investment in infrastructure can be very appealing, especially when combined with the tax advantages many infrastructure projects offer. For American retirees, this is all about protecting what you've worked hard to build. While some may be focusing on higher risk ventures like startups or cryptocurrencies, you want to make sure your assets are shielded from market swings. Infrastructure, along with a gold IRA, could be your best bet for long-term stability and growth. Now let's shift gears a bit and talk about the bigger picture. Family offices are increasingly looking for more predictable, stable investments that can provide steady cash flow. As a retiree, you're likely looking for the same kind of financial security. That's why adding infrastructure to your portfolio alongside a gold IRA could be a great move. These two asset types complement each other, providing both physical security and long-term growth potential. Plus, they're both excellent ways to diversify away from traditional stock market risk. But don't just take my word for it. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially if you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even 5M+ in savings, you need to take action now. Click the first link in the description below to get your free gold IRA guide. It's specifically tailored for American retirees who are serious about securing their financial future. To wrap up, family offices are flocking to infrastructure investments for the same reasons you should consider them: stability, predictability, and long-term growth. When you combine infrastructure with the security of a gold IRA, you've got a winning strategy that's built to last. So don't wait until it's too late. If you have significant savings and want to make sure your wealth is protected, check out the guide in the description. It's the first step to ensuring that your financial future is as secure as it can be. Click the link and start protecting your wealth today.